Number 5 is talking about a balance over time, and dB over dt is the rate of change for that balance. And they've already given us the formula for this. So if we type this into our calculators, and they want it over the first 5 years, so I'm going to graph it from 0 to 5. Okay, so then if we do that, then our graph should look like this. Again, this is dB over dt, and this is time. Now, it is going to be important to know what this point is right here in the center. So if you do a calc 0, you can find that that's 1.82, comma 0. So for part B, it asks, during what period is the account balance decreasing? Well, it's decreasing wherever the rate of change is negative. So really in this interval here from 0 to 1.82, anywhere it's negative, it's going to be decreasing. So let me write that. It's decreasing where the graph is negative, or you could say below the axis. And the reason why that is because this is the graph of the rate of change. So this is from 0 to 1.82 years. Part C says, at what time is the account balance be at its minimum? This is kind of tricky. This actually happens right here, where it crosses. And the reason for that is because it's been decreasing this entire time. So from here to here, it's decreasing. Once it gets above the axis, it starts increasing again. So its minimum point is going to be right there. So let me put that. So this happens at 1.82 years. And again, this is because it has been decreasing all the way up until then. Wherever your rate of change is negative, that's decreasing. Even though it's pointing upward, it still is decreasing there. And then once it goes above the axis, that's where it's increasing again. So the minimum is going to happen at 1.82.